Even though the drivers don't have the right of way, they still try to slip through, endangering the biker.
I know. I did.
The driver, despite noticing the biker, doesn't give up and still stays on his side of the road. The weather conditions and the driver who tried changing his lane without any signal didn't give the biker a chance to react in any way. Trying to turn left, the driver stops at the right edge of the road and then makes a decision to confront the bikers.
Oh, you on me like that?
What you mean?
I don't know.
What you mean?
I don't know. Don't tell me like that. You on my like that, man? Why you on me like that? You on my
Like, do you want to get up right now or not?
Well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
That's the probably the best thing you should do. Bitch, I ain't playing.
God damn it! Hey, you good, bro? Man. Alright, guys, well, we're about to head back to town. Had an accident, guys. Homie looped out trying to do a wheelie. Kind of bent her rim a little bit. Messed that up. Messed that too. Yeah, that's done, yeah.
I thought we were supposed to wave at anybody on two wheels.
This is a biker's worst nightmare. It's really hard not to panic then.
Oh, there's a bee on my outside of my helmet. Oh.
Stay calm. You want to pull over?
Yes. Oh, car. Sorry.
Just stay calm.
Okay. All right. I'm staying calm. Stay calm. Oh. Get off.
I'm gonna jump off.
Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh, I don't know where it is.
Alex, get over here.
I'm not moving. Oh, I won't get off.
Alex, get off.
It won't get off.
Right towards me.
Oh, God.
Can you ride towards me?
No. I'm going to take it off.
Where's the bee?
I'm going to take my helmet off.
No! Right towards me and I'll dust it off.
Oh, God, no. No, it's going to be on the outside, I hope. No, it's on the inside. God, it was on the inside.
It was up inside?
I found one day they call that like your lane position. Look at this right here. That's gonna cut me off. Like just crawl across the street.
This is the moment when the biker felt threatened and decided to confront the driver at the next intersection.
What was that? What was that? I literally almost got hit off my bike. Like this person almost hit me off my bike. killed me, lady. Almost killed me. Almost killed me. God damn. Ah! You almost hit me off my bike. Huh? I saw you? If I saw you, I wouldn't almost get hit. Ah. But you still can't just ride down on me. You gotta slow down. Did you know you get really big fine for hitting a motorcycle? Whether I'm wrong or not. Right? But whether I'm wrong or not, because you hit a motorcycle, they're gonna fine you a lot of money. Just watch out. All right.
Observing the behavior of the driver on the right hand side, the biker was surprised by the driver from opposite, who cuts him off, forcing him to brake hard.
Come on.
Yeah, that's why you should be careful letting people through as well, mate. Or whoever did, mate.
You alright picking it up?
Yeah, please,
no
mate.
internet connection at the moment.
Yeah, I don't know who it was. But that's the thing, they obviously didn't check their mirrors, you know. Hang on, just try and turn it off so I can hear you. Oh. Yeah, I didn't need that. I think the bike will be alright, but that's pretty much done an endo and cracked myself in there. That's alright, I'll just get on and I should be able to start it. Oh. Should be alright. Oh. Cheers, mate. I'm going to go off this way. Just leave it a little longer when someone's on the roundabout, mate. You just pulled out when I was right beside you, mate. Just leave it a little longer. Just a couple of seconds. Alright? I'm on a break. Jesus. Okay, no. Yeah, I'm alright.
Sorry about that. I went round the background to come and see you again.
Was it you who pulled out?
Yeah.
The other person should have checked their mirrors to make sure it's safe to let you out, you know. Yeah. Yeah, it's not your fault, these things happen, but people should be careful about letting people out as well, you know.
I mean, I used to ride a motorbike because I've always paired before.
Yeah, yeah. But you wouldn't have seen me till you were too late, you know.
Here we have a few situations where drivers are trying to invent new road rules.
Okay. Take care.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.